Hi, to install iOS theme on your Poco F6, we would need to open Play Store first and find its app launcher iOS 18 version. So here it is, you just need to tap it to select and then install it on your device. Wait a couple of seconds and after that we can immediately open it. Just wait a couple of seconds till it will load. Here we can allow it to access the device's location. I'm gonna select while using the app and allow access to contacts. Here allow all, and that is how this app looks. So we can make some adjustments. We can go in the lock screen and change something here. We can install additional app control center, but in this launcher iOS 18 you got a lot of advertising, so just be prepared for this. And now, to change the current theme of our phone, we would need to open settings on the phone, just like that. Here, you would need to find the tab apps. After that, go in manage apps. Here, tap on the three dots. Go in the other settings, then in default apps, and for the launcher, you will need to switch from the Poco launcher to launcher iOS 18, and then save the changes by simply going back. Now, let's check it. So, let's test whether it's working or not. Here I'm gonna tap got it, and now we got theme like on iPhone. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.